So again the continuation of the module 1. So here we will see the functions, different functions in the levels, how the functions will be going to done in the different levels. That is main levels in the management, it will takes place with 3 different levels, that is top management, middle management and supervisory management. So in the top management you can see board of directors, chairman and chief executive, and the middle management you can see departmental heads, divisional heads and sectional heads. And in the supervisory management you can see senior supervisors, intermediate supervisors and the frontline supervisors. And in the levels of management, so first one, that is two leaders may serve as a managers within the same company but have the different titles and the purposes. But in a large organization in particular may break down management into a different levels because so many more people need to be managed. So there are typical management levels fall into 3 different categories, that is top, middle and low. In the top level, managers at this level ensure that major performance objectives are established and accomplished. That is a CEO, COO, that is Chief Executive Officer and Chief Operating Officer. It will comes under the top managers. And these senior managers are considered executives responsible for the performance of an organization as a whole or for one of the significant part, that is significant level. They are going to responsible for a significant level, a particular level in the process. When you think of top level manager, think of someone like Dave Thomas of the fast food franchises Wendy's. That is just an example. Although the John T. Schuler, who was elected CEO in 2000, Dave Thomas is the founder and still the chairman of the board. He is the well-known spokesperson of the chain. So this will be a top level. Next, the middle level. Middle managers report to top managers and are in charge of relatively large departments or divisions consisting of several smaller units. An example of middle managers include, that is clinical directors in hospitals, deans, universities and division managers, plant managers and the branch sales managers in the business. And also middle managers develop and implement action plans consistent with company objectives such as increasing the market presence. So increasing the market presence, they're going to involve in the certain the process to achieve the goals. And they are going to report to the top managers, so definitely they're going to assign the things to be completed within a stipulated time and to charge the relative large departments, and the division consists of several smaller units. So the middle level always is going to report with the top level management. Next, the low level. Next, the low level. The initial management job that most people attain is typically a first line management position such as team leader or a supervisor, a person in charge of smaller work units composed of hands-on workers. So the first line managers ensures that work teams, that units meet performance objectives. And also first line managers are very greatly that include destination as the department head or a group leader or a small unit leaders, and also such as producing a set number of items that is given quality that are consist with the plans of middle and the top management. And the main management roles are formal authority and status, personal skills and characteristics. So there are 3 different roles, that is interpersonal roles, international roles and the decision roles. Interpersonal roles, and that is figurehead, leader and the license. And international roles, monitor, disseminator and a spokesperson. And the decision roles, entrepreneur, disturbance, that is handler and resource allocator and the negotiator. So these are the different 3 major roles in the management, that is which is consist of, that is decision roles. That is decision roles having contains entrepreneur, disturbance and handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. First, the entrepreneur will come. He will keep the own company or a own unit or a own enterprise. So he is a kind of an owner. So entrepreneur. Next, the disturbance. Entrepreneur, the disturbance means he needs to allocate the things to other shops or small shops or need to call. So handler will be, he is going to handle and take up all the actions and going to give the, the economy, the economical things is going to handle. So he is going to handle all the economical part. And the resource allocator, the resource person is going to allocate the things like the price of the product or a price of the project. Next, the negotiator is, he is going to try to negotiate the things in his way, like he's going to reduce or increase, they're going to negotiate the money related things, that is economical part.